What is photosynthesis?
Well, Kenya, photosynthesis is a process that occurs between plants and algae. They convert energy from the sun into oxygen by using carbon dioxide and water.
And it starts sometimes.
Well, dude, the sun's energy is captured by chloroplasts of plant cells and are used to make glucose material, and the waste product is oxygen.
Oh yeah, Mama also said there's water in the process of photosynthesis.
Yeah, there is.
And when plants use the energy from the sun and water and CO2 for food, it's called respiration. Cool, thanks, man.
No problem.
Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. On you other Slim Shady.